Hey everybody, Tough Shed here. Looking at a 2004 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. It's a one-owner car, bought it brand new. It's got 114,000 miles on it. But I needed to replace my turn signal relay. So I'm going to show you where not to look for your relay. Don't look there. That's the relay box under the hood. It's not there. Don't look there. That's the fuse panel. Not anywhere close to there. Right there. See that little box with the slits in it? It's got a clip on the top, clip on the bottom. It's kind of long. My hands are shaky because I'm old. That's it right there. It sits right underneath that. Right there. It's a little square thing about the size of what you're looking at. The factory one is blue, baby blue. The one I put in, I got at O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's black, made by Delco. They run anywhere from $15 to $30. Easy to replace. Just make sure you know how it goes back in there. It just plugs in. Sometimes they're a little tough to get out. But right there is your turn signal relay. Also operates your flashers. So I looked on YouTube all over the place. Couldn't figure out where it was. Finally found it by listening to the sound. It worked intermittently, so I was able to isolate it. That's where it is on a 2004 Ford Sport Trac. If you want to, you can take these panels off. You can take this panel off right here. It's got screws down here along the bottom. There's two of them right here. That's for your hood. So it's anchored in there really good. There's another one over here. Take that off, 7mm. There's a metal plate right there. It's got 4 or 5 brass colored 8mm screws. You can take those off and it gives you easier access to see that thing. But if you're limber, you can lay down in here upside down and get in there. And if you can see what you're doing, you can replace that thing. There it is again. My box had tape around it. It had black tape around it. Came out of the factory like that. So I just cut that black tape off, and this cover comes off really easy. There's little clips on the top and on the bottom. So quick fix, cheap fix, might save you some money. Thanks for watching.